Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use one-handed mode on the HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro. So if you're holding your phone in your hand and you can't really reach the top of your phone with one hand, there is an option to help with that. And all you need to do is go to the settings, and then we have to go to accessibility features right here, and then we have to find one-handed mode right here and just enable this option right here. So there we go. Now that it's enabled, all we really have to do is just take our phone in our hand, slide our finger like that to the side, and it's going to make our screen smaller. So now we can access pretty much every area of our phone with just one hand. It's that easy. And to return it, we just have to do the same thing, like that. Or we can just touch the like empty area in our phone right here. We can just touch that to exit one-handed mode. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can easily use your phone with one hand. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.